All right, all right, all right. Tuesday morning, nice and cool. Sun's coming up, sunny day, and the futures are so bright you gotta wear shades. We're up 19, no big deal. I mean, we could trade down, close the gap right at the open. Basically, we are in no man's land. We got nothing. We got Powell speaking tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Just a conference somewhere. We got personal income on Thursday. And Friday we got ISM manufacturing numbers. So, I mean, it's perplexing. It's perplexing because, inflation's a bitch and everybody screams about that when things are moving up and tight, and then manufacturing slows down or something slows down and they're screaming about recession. So it's really hard for somebody to figure out what's going on. But looking around, people are working. I mean, the bitch is not that they can't find work. The bitch is that the work doesn't cover what they need. And I'm watching gas prices, and oil's coming down. It's actually up today $2. But it looks like it's putting in a topping pattern. And that's what we need. We need oil to come down. That's going to have a major hit on inflation. And we need that major hit on inflation because we want Powell to ease up. Tech companies already slowed down their hiring. And that's disconcerting. That upsets me. I don't want to see people going out of work, because if they do get a handle on this inflation, then you want people out there buying. So that's what we need to see. We need to see inflation slow down. And look, you don't have to reverse 8%, right? The rise has to stop. We're not expecting prices to come down to pre, inflation levels. What we're looking for is just the rise to ease up, right? If prices are still rising, but they're rising at 2%, then I think we hit our goal. And I don't think that's a far cry. I think that's very possible. Very quickly. I think that could happen very quickly. Getting some of the extenuating factors out. So anyway, I feel like I'm babbling. Let me stop. I'm looking at the markets, and really, we're in no man's land. You can't really tell right now, right? Because we have this, here it is. These are the recoveries, one that we're in right now, and then we get these trade-offs. So pretty cool that we didn't tank yesterday, kind of setting up a flag. This is not a classic flag as I look at it. This would have opened up and wouldn't have exceeded the previous day's high. But this is pretty cool. It's okay we close down here. If we break this high, we can say that we're going to move up. And we have these targets to close. I would very much like to see us move up to the 40.27 marks and stuff like that. I would very much like to see that. But this may not be the day. We also have this gap right down here that we could turn around and close that gap before we start making that move up. The only thing is that we're coming into the end of the quarter. A lot of institutions and funds are short. They're going to want to book their profits, clean up their books, close these shorts. So the moves for window dressing are going to be to close short positions, which just creates buying, pushes stocks up. And that's why they're talking about that possible 7 to 10% return, because the anticipation is that window dressing will go on, and they'll be closing the shorts. So that's what we're looking at. But, is there enough strength in there? I don't know, man. But that's why we're calling it no man's land. I mean, you see this low here, you see this low here, you see the low on the MACD. And they're equal. That's really a divergence. This is making a lower low, but this is making an equal low. That's a divergence. That's a good indication that the selling is subsiding. So, no man's land. Coming into a long holiday weekend, which kicks off the summer, so we should get into light volume. We should be looking at doldrums. I would like to see this average trading range drop. It was 84 last week we had these big sell-off and kicked up to 60 or 99 rather. It should be around 60. That's a fairly consistent trading range for the SPX. So once all this crazy volatility comes out of it, and it's taking a real long time to happen. So anyway, that's it, man. That's my spiel for today. Short and sweet. Everybody calm and cool. Be at peace when you trade. Good luck with your trades.